Before watch our video, please subscribe.
Most people want to see what's going on around the property, but they honestly don't want to do the wiring and all of the hassle and everything it takes to actually put up cameras. LightCam requires no drilling, no wires, no hassle. You just plug it in, turn it on, and it works. We designed LightCam to be the most versatile and affordable camera for your house. The camera is HD, it's infrared so it can see in the dark. So first of all, if you have a taller structure, you have a shorter one, you can actually telescope it up and down. When you pick your viewing angle, it'll actually rotate side to side depending on where you actually want to see. Your actual lens comes out so you can take your camera down. If you have a vertical sconce, you can actually go ahead and switch that so you get the viewing angle you want. This telescoping lens actually can connect up with the glass of your program. What that means is you're not going to have glare or any of the blinding, like fade infrared bouncing off the glass or the light bouncing off the glass. You can't see anything at night. It's got motion activation, so if you have visitors, you're going to know about it. It has a two-way voice on it. You're going to be able to adjust the colors. LightCam is designed with high-end cob LEDs, so your light lasts 15 to 20 years. We've spent basically 2 years perfecting every piece we could to make sure it's working in different situations as possible. LightCam is an amazing product and it's going to benefit from it. Really appreciate you guys watching this and hope that you'll help us by backing the camera by sharing it with your friends and family so that we can bring this great product to everyone.
It is powered by a battery. It is driven by a true rotary compressor. It is the world's most revolutionary portable air conditioner. It is the Zero Breeze Mark II. In 2014, we conceived the idea of making a true battery-powered portable air conditioner. The technical challenges were massive, and it was considered almost impossible. But in 2016, we turned that into reality. With the help of more than 4,000 supporters around the world, we managed to raise over $1.6 million for the original Zero Breeze. It set our ambitious journey since then. Now, after 3 years of intense R&D, we're back with a more powerful, completely redesigned Zero Breeze Mark II to change the game again. The Mark II has major upgrades applied inside and out. With our more powerful patented 24-volt sine wave frequency-controlled rotary compressor, the cooling power gets a 200% boost. The outlet temperature may now drop up to 30 degrees Fahrenheit within 10 minutes. The Mark II is also attired with an all-new dual-hose design. With the newly equipped centrifugal fan, both the front and rear outlet have received a significant efficiency lift. The isolation circulatory system between indoor and outdoor air cools twice as fast, but 40% more efficient. Zero Breeze Mark II has also expanded its features. With the newly added sleep mode, it keeps monitoring the surrounding temperature and it keeps you in a comfortable temperature all the time. On a hot and humid summer day out, dehumidifying is as important as cooling. We've added a dedicated dehumidifier mode this time. With the combination of both, you can always stay cool and dry. We've also redesigned the battery. It can be attached to the main unit in seconds. With a whopping 630 watt-hour capacity, it may keep the Zero Breeze Mark II going for 3 to 5 hours or the entire night if sleep mode is activated. The battery is now equipped with 2 USB Type-A, a 12-volt DC, and a new Type-C at the front. Your phone, laptop, and other devices are all covered. In the past 3 years, we've kept listening, researching, and improving, and we sincerely thank you for your trust, to your patience, passion, and feedback. At this stage, Zero Breeze Mark II is ready to produce. This time, we are working with one of the world's most advanced AC manufacturers to bring you the world's best portable battery-powered AC. Since its incarnation, it has overcome countless doubts and obstacles, and it has since become more powerful, more efficient, and more user-friendly. And it is Zero Breeze Mark II. Thank you for supporting us. Together, we make the world a little cooler.
How do you bridge the energy of a studio session with the benefits of a one-on-one session? With artificial intelligence and personalized instructor feedback you can take with you anywhere. Meet OTARI.
What is up, OTARI fam? Kenny here. We got 20 minutes of strength and hit coming your way.
A yoga studio and fitness experience that you can take everywhere.
We'll open the arms out, coming into a warrior two.
An adjustable magnetic camera tracks your movements. Then the AI takes it from there.
OTARI, how am I doing?
Down, down into your front big toe, pinky toe, and heel.
OTARI helps correct your form in real time
And spiral your chest up a little more towards the sky.
and personalizes your workout experience by understanding how your body is moving.
Let's push this pace a bit more. Come on.
On-demand and live stream classes just became personal sessions with world-class instructors and a community that is connected with group challenges and live leaderboards. It's a personalized studio experience with the analytics you need for guidance and motivation. Personalized, portable. The journey